If you are having trouble verifying your identity on Cielo24, follow these steps to successfully complete the process. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve any issues you may encounter during verification. Step 1. Check your information. Ensure that all the personal information you provided matches the documents you are using for verification. Discrepancies can lead to verification failures. Step 2. Use valid identification. Make sure you are using a valid form of identification, such as a government-issued ID or passport. Verify that the document is not expired and is clear and legible. Step 3. Review submission guidelines. Go through the submission guidelines provided by Cielo24 carefully. Ensure that you are following all instructions regarding file formats, sizes, and types of documents accepted. Step 4. Contact customer support. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Resubmit your information. After addressing any issues identified by customer support, resubmit your identity verification request. Double-check all information and documents before submitting to increase your chances of success. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully verify your identity on Cielo24. If you continue to experience issues, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from their support team.